Hey guys, today's bell ringer is nice and short. We're going to go ahead and divide 98 and 4/10 by 8. Now the thing to remember about this is that when we are dividing decimals, so when we're dividing by a decimal, we have to make sure that our divisor is a whole number, which in this case it is. So we don't have to do anything to change the format of the problem. We can just go ahead and set it up. We're going to use long division. Okay, now remember the steps for long division are divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, compare, and then repeat. So we're going to start by asking ourselves, how many times does 8 go into 9? 1 time. That's our division. 1 times 8 is 8. That's our multiplication. Now we subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring down our next number, which is 18. Oh, you know what? I put these last two steps in the wrong order. My bad. It should be compare and then bring down. There we go. Okay. Let's see. 8 goes into 18 2 times, so we're back up to divide. 2 times 8 is 16. Subtract. 18 minus 16 is 2. Okay, so this is the compare part. We just want to compare what we have left over for this step with our divisor. As long as what we have left over is smaller than our divisor, we know we're on the right track. And it is. Okay, bring down the 4. 8 goes into 24 3 times. 3 times 8 is 24, and we have no remainder. Our decimal point just comes straight up. So 98 and 4/10 divided by 8 is 12 and 3/10, so C. Quick reminder for those of you who are new to the class, you're going to submit your work for the bell ringer for the whole week all at once. So I need you to go back to the Tuesday folder because that's where the bell ringer document is. Upload all your written work for the whole week, all of the bell ringer work that we've done on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and then submit it.